confirmation today from Saudi Arabia's ambassador to the UK that the World Cup will be a dry event in a dry country. No booze available.
So I went to every Irish game for 10 years and I went to World Cup in Korea and Japan. And I've seen the good, the bad and the ugly of alcohol and I'm partaking of alcohol at football tournaments. So I do know this. I do know the score. And I know what the scene is. Saudi Arabia is not, as the Qataris did with the last World Cup, with the World Cup in Qatar. They were never going to open the bars and say, "Come on in, lads, bring a tray of beer." Right? It wasn't going to happen. So the minute that FIFA announced that the World Cup is going there, this was going to be the situation. Now the strange thing is, it looks like they're going to have a complete ban, except for maybe you can have a drink in what they call international hotels. So it's going to be a dry tournament. I think if you're determined enough, an Irish fan, assuming we qualify, if you're going to go all the way to Saudi Arabia, having a beer is not going to be top of your agenda. You really are there for the football.
Games now are just not going to a football match 2 minutes before the game and watching the game and then going having a drink at half time. It's become a show. They're all spectacles. There's always something going on, whether it's a DJ, some sort of music instrument. So there's a lot going on before games now. And at least the Irish fans mainly will be able to remember the game and not have a sore head the next day. Listen, I've been in Poland when we qualified for 2012, and the experience was magical, how they went about it, how they behaved themselves. But as I look now, as times go by, I see more and more kids in away grounds, travelling with their mum and dads, travelling with the dads to the game. So the experience is changing. I think we've got to embrace it.